The function of cryptocurrency, for novices. We describe how cryptocurrencies operate. This guide's objective is to instruct newcomers on blockchain technology and digital currencies, like Bitcoin. There is no investment advice provided in any of the videos on this channel, they are only there for educational purposes. Claudio does not make recommendations on crypto knowledge. Those looking for advice on investment should consult a qualified professional. Investors' choices are their own, and Claudio is not responsible for them. Traders shouldn't rely on his advice. Additionally, I would be grateful if you liked the video and subscribed for more correspondence like this. What a novice user should know: using Bitcoin is similar to using PayPal or a debit card, with the exception that the numbers displayed on the screen are in cryptocurrency rather than dollars. To get started, a new user only needs to download the Robinhood or Cash App or create a Coinbase account. Users can purchase, sell, transmit, receive, and store Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, and Litecoin with Coinbase. Coinbase provides an all-in-one wallet, broker, and exchange service, making them a one-stop shop for new users. Users can purchase, sell, send, receive, and store Bitcoin using the Cash App. The fundamental ideas are: you don't need to comprehend cryptocurrencies in order to use it, any more than you need to understand the monetary system to use a debit card. However, in order to grasp cryptocurrencies, you must also be familiar with the concepts of digital money, blockchain, both as a technology and as a public database of transactions, and cryptography. After all, a cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency in which all transactions are encrypted and recorded on a public digital ledger known as a blockchain. Your understanding of these concepts and how they relate is the aim of this page. Bitcoin functions very similarly to bank credit on a debit card. In both instances, the ability to send and receive money electronically is made possible by an intricate system that creates money, keeps track of transactions, and calculates balances. Similarly, internet platforms can be used to manage accounts and transfer balances, much like traditional banking. The major distinction between cryptocurrencies and bank credit is that an algorithm manages ledgers rather than banks and governments doing so. Cryptocurrency, what is it? The best way to think of cryptocurrency is as digital money. It only exists on computers. It is shared among peers, there is no middleman like a bank. A blockchain is a type of digital public ledger where transactions are recorded. Cryptography is used to encrypt both the ledger and transaction data, which is why it is referred to as cryptocurrency. It is decentralized, which means that people and computer algorithms, rather than a centralized authority, control it. The blockchain is hosted on numerous computers all over the world thanks to its distributed nature. In the meantime, just like stock markets, cryptocurrencies are exchanged online. There are several other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, usually known as the symbol BTC, Ether, ETH, Ripple, XRP, and Litecoin, LTC, among others. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin. What is the process of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency wallets are pieces of software that are used to send transactions between peers. The person initiating the transaction transfers funds from one account, also known as a public address, to another using the wallet application. A password, sometimes known as a private key, connected to the account must be known in order to transfer money. Peer-to-peer transactions are encrypted, broadcast to the cryptocurrency's network, and then queued to be recorded in the open ledger. Following that, transactions are mined and added to the public ledger, explained below. If they so want, any user of a particular cryptocurrency can access the ledger by downloading and executing a copy of the program known as a full node wallet, as opposed to holding their coins in a third-party wallet like Coinbase. Although the sender of the transaction is anonymous, the transaction amounts are public. Transactions are pseudo-anonymous. Back to a distinct set of keys is where every transaction leads. The sum of Bitcoin linked to a certain set of keys belongs to whoever has those keys, just like whoever owns a bank account owns the money in it. A ledger is updated with many transactions at once. Miners add these transaction blocks one at a time. Because of this, the ledger and the underlying technology are referred to as block and chain. It is a chain of transaction blocks. Tip: I just explained how Bitcoin functions as well as how many other coins function. Some altcoins, however, Employ original mechanisms.